Good day, I'm Hadley Mariano.
And this is your fluffy mate, Kelvin Gomez-Sanyong.
And welcome to 9 Ball Down. So, unang-unang gusto kong tingnan. Bago niya tinira yung tres na yan, tinuro niya. Kaya makikita mo, after nung shot, nakita mo yung reaction niya.
Oo, naalala ko yan. Kaya mo ba yan?
Hindi ko kaya yun.
Aba,
Sobrang kaya lang.
napaka-humble na.
Ito naman, si Dimples.
Bitch, I'm on a rampage, mask on my damn face.
Simpleng tira lang naman siya, hindi naman ganun kahirapan. Pero kasi, habang tumitira siya,
All out to sharking sa kanya.
kinukulit siya. Tsaka nakita mo yung reaction niya after siya i-shark. Na-shoot pa rin niya. Tapos, ninitian na lang niya yung mga maingay.
Ganun naman talaga dapat, diba?
Hindi. May mga player, iba ang reaction. So, kanya-kanyang reaction niya. Naalala mo yung nakaraan, si Denmark, medyo
yeah.
makulit.
Oo.
Bilisan mo nga tumira, bagal.
Teka. Wait lang.
Wala nang kaibigan dito, sira na tayo dito. Pakita mo mukha mo dito, baka lamang pa ako sa'yo.
Pero after kasi ng game na to, tinanong ko si Denmark. Sabi ko, bakit ganun? Nag-react ka. Sabi niya kasi, boss, mas mahirap kasi para sa akin na i-keep yung nararamdaman ko, yung inis.
Exactly.
Pero pag nilabas ko naman, boss, sabi niya, ang gumagaling yung tira ko.
Oh.
Kaya siya ganyan. Kasi karamihan ng tao na nakikita ko nagko-comment. Minsan sinasabi, scripted, inutusan. Kaya natin ginagawa to kasi gusto natin lumabas yung emotions ng player. Hindi maging dull sport ang bilyar pag pinanood mo.
Yung nakikita nyo rito yung sharking, bantering, wala ni isa nag-uutos sa mga players natin. Sa bawat sport, may human drama. Sa basketball, hindi ka ba magre-react kung may pumalpal sa'yo? Hindi ka ba magre-react kung may bumalya sa'yo? Kuwari, ganito kalaki ko, binalya ka, hindi ka magre-react?
In this case, dahil kaya natin nilagyan ng sharking rules itong SBA para lumabas yung intensity ng laro.
Kasi you can use the sharking to fuel your emotions and
use that to win.
To drive yourself para galingan mo lalo. Ano sabi nila kay Denmark?
Billiards is a gentleman's game. Hindi po ganyan maglaro, very unprofessional. SBA should not tolerate this kind of playing attitude. So itong ginagawa namin, again, gusto namin gawing talagang totoong sport itong billiards. Although totoong sport naman talaga siya, pero hindi lahat tinitingnan itong sport na mahal natin bilang sport talaga.
I agree.
I think a couple of weeks ago, I was trying to pitch itong idea ng SBA sa isang foreigner. Nagulat siya. Sabi niya sa akin, billiards is not a sport. It is a bar game.
Oh.
So, dun pa lang, syempre, nasaktan ako. Tiningnan natin kung ano ba yung mga top sports sa buong mundo. Syempre, lalabas dyan. Basketball. Soccer. Football. Hockey. Yung mga ganyan. So, tingnan mo ano bang meron sa kanila. Bakit gustong-gusto ng mga tao itong mga sports na to?
Trash talk. Exactly.
Trash talk talaga.
Bakit hindi pwede sa bilyar?
Hindi lang trash talk between players. Trash talk between the audience and the players. Cheering, nag-iingay, try mo distract yung kalaban mo habang tumitira. It adds challenge dun sa sport natin. So, sa reaction lang ni Denmark, kasi kinukulit siya ng mga audience. So it is a way for him to ilabas niya yung nararamdaman niya. Pero in reality, hindi naman daw siya napikon. Kumbaga, nilalabas lang yung emotion niya.
Kesa naman makontain.
Kesa makakontain, tapos maapektuhan yung tira niya. Last video na natin.
Last video.
So nahirapan siya sa posisyon ng 2, 3, mahirap din. Na-dispabor siya sa 5, pero nakuha pa rin niya. 6, dispabor din. Nakuha pa rin niya. 7, medyo alanganin. Pinlacing niya. Tapos,
na-foul si Tito
Plong. Tapos, pinalusot niya sa gitna ng 8, 9.
And the rest is history.
Inubos niya. Parang may mga hindi na-believe dito.
Parang
merong
nakita ko yung mga comment. When you make an easy table look hard. That was an easy layout.
The first shot was hard.
You took a bank for that yellow one. So and then the rest were thin cuts, cross banks, and even went for a safety because he lost possession. And then you're saying it's an easy layout?
After the layout was roughly easy. He made mistakes, and I think we should appreciate that this guy was able to, get back and recover.
Exactly.
That's his opinion, so let it be. We're just explaining and or analyzing the table for him. That way, we might be able to convince him.
The only problem is that sometimes, before you even put a comment, you may want to think about it first. Like what they say, think before you click. Sana manood kayo ng live dito sa Sharks Arena Sports Bar, Mondays and Fridays, 8 p.m. onwards. Again, wala pong entrance fee. And also, we're live on Signal through One Sports and One Sports Plus, and also on the Pilipinas Live app.
Okay.
So again, this is your Fluffy Meg, Kelvin Gomez Nanyong.
And I'm Hadley Mariano. Tandaan, bawal ang iyakin sa SBA.